Good morning, everybody. It's day 16 of morning pages. Yeah, I'm just gonna go right into it today. Just ready to start writing. So today is the 5th. I should have known that. And here we go. Right. Page 1, page 2, page 3. July 5th. Morning pages, day 16 in the books. Alright, so yeah, I just kind of wanted to go in and start writing today. I didn't really have much to say. I'm still kind of tired and out of it. I went and saw some fireworks with one of my roommates, a new roommate actually. That's a whole nother story, but it was fun. It was nice to go out and do something. I was just planning on doing the normal thing of reading, sitting inside, but I could do that tonight. So yeah, I had a bit of a moment yesterday where I was triggered with something, essentially something from my past situation that happened, and now when things happen again, essentially sets me off. And I was just, essentially that's what I was doing for this one. I was writing about that. I was exploring the trigger and figuring out how I can kind of feel everything you need to feel, how even though it's uncomfortable and awkward, and it really makes you look at yourself. But I was just essentially analyzing that, looking at myself, because it was bothering me, because I couldn't just let it go of what happened yesterday. I couldn't just release it, and I wanted to. But writing about it was very helpful, and it allowed me to see stuff, and I got some tips about some ideas on how to go about certain situations a little bit better, and which is cool. And I like writing these pages because it just gives me time to reflect on things and kind of look at how I handle some stuff, and it always comes back. Thankfully I've done enough work where it comes back to where I'm not blaming myself, I'm not blaming the other person. I'm just seeing the thing for what it is, and I'm able to process it, feel it, and then release it, and then also gain a higher awareness about it all as I move forward. So cool. It was a good day. So I'm gonna keep it short and sweet. Day 16. I'll see y'all tomorrow.